So the first one comes from Kuldeep, saying he's from India, and I got married with a U.S. citizen in India. After this, she filed a petition, the I-130. We got an NOA, one.
No, NOA? Notice of approval?
Okay, yeah, and
Yes.
the priority date is May 10th, 2019. Could you please tell me when I get my approval for an I-130 petition?
Oh, she only got a receipt notice so far.
Yes.
It takes about 12 months or so, hopefully less. If 12 months comes and goes and you don't have an approval, that's when you start thinking mandamus.
Next question comes from Delroy Evans. My grandmother, who is an American citizen, filed an I-130 petition for my married mother, married to my father. I was mentioned as a derivative on it, and the priority dates is April 2008 when I was 10. The visa became available November 2019 when I am 21. Am I still eligible to migrate with them?
It's very possible, depending on how long it took the I-130 to get approved, but it sounds like, to me, unless that was a very quick I-130 approval, like from receipt to approval, it sounds like you would be under the Child Status Protection Act.
All right, Jalen saying, is there a time frame for humanitarian reinstatement process if requested by USCIS if the beneficiary passes away and left the kids behind, and that's approved I-130?
There's no time frame to request a humanitarian waiver. Reinstatement, excuse me.
Ahmed Il says, hey Brad, I'm in Chicago. I need to hire you to file mandamus because I passed the naturalization since August 2018. Until now, there is no oath ceremony.
That sounds more like a de novo or a mandamus. We're not sure yet. But
Okay.
yes,
So you
give
need
us a
to-
call.
Yeah, give a call.
Same number that you see scrolling on the bottom.
All right,
Call.
M Phone saying, on entry in the U.S., I was detained at the airport, my visa canceled, and I was deported back to my country due to immigration issues 2 years ago. How long does it take to apply for another visa?
What was the immigration issue?
I knew you was going to ask that because if that was a drug charge,
Correct.
you ain't coming back.
If that was a misrepresentation, you ain't
you
coming
ain't coming
back.
So we need to know.
All right, Susan Sutton asks, or says, good day, Brad Show Live. My question is, my husband's petitioned my 2 kids, both single, unmarried, that they're age over 21. How long will they have to wait before they can come here to the USA?
About a 6-7 year wait.
Andrea Clark says going to email, but I feel like got an
email
email on Monday, waiting 1 year and 2 months for the interview date. How long after that do you think that we'll have to wait to send when they send a letter?
She put in a request. Let me read this. And asked immigration, when will she get her interview? She's been waiting. And
Did you shake it well?
Yes, I shake it well. But I shake it as I ask the question because other than that, the Magic 8 Ball doesn't know what I'm asking. Okay? And Magic 8 Ball, she put in a request. She's been waiting 1 year and 2 months for her interview. Immigration sent her back an email. What is the exact day? And how long will she have to wait for her interview? Says the outlook is good for an interview, it just doesn't know when.
All right.
Okay. But if you've been waiting for more than 1 year and 2 months, the only way to be sure is to file a mandamus. That'll get it really fast.
Tamara Rodent says, my case was updated to new card is being produced on my I-765. How long will it take to receive the EAD card?
It's being produced, which means they're manufacturing it. Magic 8 Ball.
There's another one.
When will this woman get her work permit? It's usually a couple weeks, but let's see if the Magic 8 Ball knows the exact day.
Yep.
It says signs point to yes, she will get it.
Okay.
All right. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.